Hello guys, this is your brother Ismail reporting from Kampala, Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, the greenest city in East Africa. So today I can say good evening to you, good afternoon, good morning. How are you doing? How is everybody? How is everyone at home? Are you okay? I also guess that you're doing great, but to me, I'm doing great. As you can see me, so I'm doing great, alhamdulillah. So today guys, you know what? Guess what? Actually, I'm just from work right now, so I felt like sharing with you some beautiful actually traditional dance of ours. By the way, do you know anything about Somali dance? Do you know anything about Somali song? Have you ever heard that Somalia has got the best song in Africa? So let me not say that, otherwise people will say that this guy is praising his country, right? So but today I'm going to play for you actually a very beautiful traditional dance that I'm going to play with you, and you will see it. So last time I did it, it was for Ghana. Now it was for Somalia, and I told you that I'm not going to expose what I'm gonna do and which song, which country, it's like which song am I going and where the country I'm going to pick it from. I will not tell you. So I will keep on surprising you. So today I'm here. Actually, I just want to play a beautiful song, a traditional song. By the way, Somalis, I can say we have got actually a great song. We have got a great music. We've got actually, why should I tell you each and everything? Let's see with your naked eyes. So let's see it.
أبو سبي حرقو قطع تطلو كما زينيلي منبا كانوا صحيح قبر سورة وعن هلا أبو سبي حرقو قطع تطلو كما زينيلي منبا كانوا صحيح قبر سورة وعن هلا أبو سبي حرقو قطع تطلو كما زينيلي منبا كانوا صحيح قبر سورة وعن هلا أبو سبي حرقو قطع تطلو كما زينيلي منبا كانوا صحيح
So guys, please, that actually we have a lot of beautiful traditional dance that can make you start doing like that. So please and please, I will try to actually share with you our beautiful cultural dance in Africa. Africa has got the best cultural dance. We have a lot of beautiful traditional dance that our forefathers used to actually. I will put a lot of time to make sure that I will get all the different traditional dances from Africa. So the next country I'm not going to tell you, I will just surprise you, because last time you remember I told you I'm not gonna tell you right now. So right now we've got Somalia and we have Ghana. So the list is endless. So just wait and you will see when your country comes. So please and please guys, support this channel. I want you to support me as your brother. I need to reach 1,000 subs. Actually, I need like now 90 subs to reach that milestone. So please, if you can help me, I will be very appreciative of you, please. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. And the most important thing, you guys, also that I always treasure is that likes matter a lot. So whenever you see this one, please give like, and if you can share with your friends, that will be also, I don't know even what to do. So please help support the channel by all means, whatever you can. If you can subscribe, something that will not actually disturb you, and you are helping someone, it's a good deed. So please help me subscribe, reach 1,000 subs right now. That is my goal. Thank you.